Welcome to the world of powerful wood splitters that tear through massive logs with absolute precision. This is where machines reign over the forest timber. Subscribe now to experience raw, satisfying power. Welcome to Woodpath channel. This is the HX 1300-800, a high-capacity industrial wood shredder built for power and precision. With a large feed opening and robust rotor system, it easily processes thick trunks, branches, pallets, and even construction waste. Designed for continuous, heavy-duty operation, the HX 1300-800 shreds massive wood material into fine chips quickly and efficiently. Its automated feeding system ensures smooth operation, while the heavy steel frame guarantees long-lasting durability. From forestry to recycling, this machine handles it all. At a sprawling timber yard, surrounded by towering piles of logs, a massive industrial wood chipper roars tirelessly into action. Giant tree trunks, thick and heavy, are devoured whole by the machine's gaping mouth, vanishing as if swallowed by a mechanical beast. Inside its steel shell, whirring gears and razor-sharp blades grind relentlessly into the solid wood. The piercing clash of metal and timber echoes through the air, intense, powerful, and unstoppable. In just seconds, the once mighty log is shredded into a storm of fine wood chips, forcefully expelled through the discharge chute like a cascading wooden waterfall. The entire process unfolds like a mechanical ballet, swift, precise, and awe-inspiring, a true symbol of modern wood processing technology at its peak. Before us is the high-capacity wood chipper Bandit 21XP, one of the leading machines in the wood processing industry. It features a wide feed opening, allowing it to handle large logs with diameters over 21 inches. A powerful hydraulic steel arm grips and feeds the log into the chipper drum. Inside, a high-speed rotating drum equipped with blades quickly pulverizes the logs into wood chips. The shredded wood chips are expelled through the discharge chute, ready for transport or recycling. With its robust build, easy operation, and continuous performance, the Bandit 21XP is an ideal choice for logging companies, green waste processors, and urban tree services. This is power and efficiency at your fingertips. The Bandit 21XP, your partner in every green project. This is the CBI 6400 CT, one of the most powerful horizontal grinders on the planet. Designed for high-volume wood processing, it can crush whole trees, stumps, logs, and even construction debris with brutal efficiency. Its massive rotor, smart feed system, and heavy-duty frame make it a true powerhouse in the field. In just seconds, the 6400 CT turns giant timber into clean, uniform mulch or wood chips. Whether you're clearing land, producing biomass, or recycling green waste, this machine gets the job done fast, clean, and without compromise. CBI 6400 CT, built to grind everything and stop for nothing. Amid a sea of white snow, where the forest stands frozen in sub-zero silence, the Gen's Hem 922 emerges, a steel-clad beast growling through the frost. The moment the log touches the chipping rotor, the machine screams, growling RRT, a brutal sound that cuts through the frozen air like thunder in a blizzard. Blades spin in a violent frenzy, hurling splinters and chips into the storm. Wood dust mixes with the flying snow, forming a swirling white cyclone, half ice, half shredded timber. The Gen's chipper devours the frozen log with icy precision, cold and merciless, a creature born of steel and winter. Each rotation, each savage cut, is a breath in the lungs of a machine undeterred by weather, working relentlessly in the heart of the snow-covered wild, not yielding to nature, but mastering it. Introducing the Hartnett Products HP62S, a self-feeding PTO with chipper built for farms, orchards, and landowners. Compact but powerful, this machine attaches to your tractor's PTO and handles branches up to 6 inches thick with ease. Its self-feeding design pulls in materials smoothly, grinding branches and brush into clean, even wood chips in seconds. Built for reliability, mobility, and low-maintenance operation, the HP62S is perfect for clearing land, pruning, or storm cleanup. Simple, strong, efficient. front of the Albach Diamond 2000 operated by lone underneath weight, the logs are stacked high and dense, towering piles of timber waiting to be processed like a silent challenge. Yet the machine doesn't hesitate. It works tirelessly, grapple after grapple, its mechanical arm moving rhythmically and steadily, feeding log after log into the chipping mechanism. No pause, no sign of fatigue, as if it doesn't even understand the concept of exhaustion. Inside, the razor-sharp blades continue spinning, shredding each log into neat, uniformly chips. Despite the mountain of wood before it, the machine keeps going, methodically and efficiently, like it was built for the sole purpose of relentless, uninterrupted work. The Vermeer WC2500TX, powered by a mighty 600 horsepower engine, takes on a massive tree trunk with ease. Watch as this beast of a chipper devours the entire log, transforming it into a shower of wood chips in seconds. Its powerful feed system, tracked mobility, and industrial-grade blades make it one of the most efficient tree chippers on the market. Built for heavy-duty land clearing and forestry work, the WC2500TX doesn't just chip, it dominates. In the heart of the forest, a powerful forestry machine completes its final task. With smooth, mechanical precision, the arm lifts the massive, freshly cut tree and gently folds it downward. Every movement is calculated, years of growth reduced to a moment of engineered grace. The tree, now ready for transport, is carefully placed onto the collection site. Around it, the earth is quiet, only the hum of hydraulics breaking the silence. This is the moment when technology meets nature, turning raw timber into a resource, all while ensuring safety, speed, and sustainability in modern forestry operations. through thick mud and rugged terrain. The logging truck powers forward, its wheels grinding as it hauls a heavy load of timber. Each turn of the tires brings it closer to the staging area, where the journey of the forest begins a new chapter. A heavy-duty forestry truck emerges from the heart of the forest, its trailer stacked with freshly cut logs. Rolling steadily over rugged terrain, it carries the weight of the woods toward industry and progress. This is more than transport. It's the lifeline connecting nature's raw power to the world beyond. Deep in the forest, the mighty Komatsu 895 comes to life, its G88H grapple arm sweeping with fluid precision. Designed for heavy-duty logging, this machine glides over rough terrain as if it were smooth ground. With each movement, it grips massive logs, lifts them with ease, and stacks them methodically for transport. This isn't just a machine, it's an engineering marvel, combining raw strength with pinpoint control. In the world of timber harvesting, the Komatsu 895 stands tall as a symbol of power, precision, and productivity. The Komatsu 835 forwarder slowly moves into the dense forest as rain gently falls from the gray sky. Its heavy-duty tires crush the wet earth, leaving deep tracks behind. The rain patters on the machine's cabin, while the forwarder's powerful engine hums steadily, ready for the demanding work ahead. With precision and strength, the forwarder's hydraulic arm extends and carefully clamps onto a freshly cut log. The machine lifts the heavy timber smoothly, swivels it, and places it onto the cargo bed. Each movement is controlled and deliberate, ensuring the logs are securely loaded for transport. After loading, the forwarder retracts its arm, securing the cargo. It then slowly reverses, maneuvering skillfully through the dense trees, making its way out of the forest. The machine's tires churn the muddy ground, leaving a trail of disturbed earth as it heads toward the unloading site. At the staging area, the Komatsu 835 positions itself carefully. The hydraulic arm extends once more to lift the logs off the cargo bed. One by one, the heavy timbers are set down neatly, ready for further processing or transport. The machine's work concludes as it prepares for the next load. In the muddy depths of the forest, the Rotten F-20D presses forward with unwavering power. Despite the challenging terrain, its massive wheels churn through the soft earth. The machine's crane arm swings smoothly, gripping heavy logs and lifting them with ease. One by one, the fallen trees are collected and stacked with mechanical precision. The forest, thick with mist and mud, becomes a worksite of efficiency and resilience. This is modern forestry at its toughest, where strength, technology, and control come together in perfect balance. Deep in the quiet woods, a unique machine shows us that power doesn't always come from an engine. This is a horse-drawn log loader, a smart blend of traditional horsepower and modern engineering. As the horse gently pulls the rig forward, the mechanical arm smoothly grabs a log and lifts it with surprising ease. No fuel, no noise, just the rhythm of nature and simple, effective design. It's slow but steady, controlled by the handler with experience and calm precision. Each log is placed carefully on the trailer as man, machine, and animal work together in harmony. In a world rushing toward automation, this scene reminds us, sometimes the old ways still work beautifully. Deep among the trees, the horse stands calm and steady as the loader swings into action. Surrounded by moss, mud, and silence, the log is carefully lifted from the forest floor. There's no rush, just patience, skill, and a respect for nature. It's logging the old-fashioned way, and it still works beautifully. The trailer is now full, stacked high with freshly loaded timber. With a gentle tug, the horse leans forward and the wheels begin to turn. Slowly but surely, the heavy load rolls out of the forest, led by quiet strength and steady rhythm. No machines, no noise, just the timeless bond between man, horse, and nature. Two horses make their way across the hillside, walking steadily and calmly. On both sides of the narrow path, wildflowers and tall grass sway in the breeze, painted with the gentle colors of spring. There is no engine, no noise, only the sound of hooves striking the earth and the soft whisper of the wind. Step by step, the horse-drawn cart moves toward the timber gathering site, quietly carrying its heavy load with enduring strength. In that moment, nature and tradition move in harmony, a quiet reminder that no matter how modern the world becomes, the old ways still hold their place. A Belarus MTZ 1221.2 tractor enters a muddy forest road in early spring, towing a heavy trailer. At first, everything seems fine, but the soft, wet ground quickly turns into a trap. The wheels sink deep into the mud, and the driver struggles to move forward. He rocks the tractor back and forth, trying to gain traction. Mud flies, the engine roars, but the machine is stuck. It's a tough day in the forest, and nature isn't making it easy. Deep in the heart of the forest, the tree-grabbing machine moves with calm determination. Its hydraulic arms extend, wrapping around fallen trunks with a firm grip. One by one, the trees are gathered, lifted, and placed into neat piles. In this quiet wilderness, the machine's steady motion brings order to the chaos of nature. It is a dance of steel and precision, each movement carefully calculated, each tree handled with power and purpose. In the heart of the forest, the John Deere 1110D charges through the mud like a beast unleashed. Wheels churn, mud flies, and the powerful machine refuses to back down. Through deep pits and slippery trails, it pushes forward, unstoppable, untamed. This is not just logging, this is off-road domination. In the heart of the forest, the machine comes to life. With its powerful hydraulic arm, it clamps down on the fallen tree, steady, deliberate, unstoppable. The heavy trunk rises effortlessly into the air, as if weightless in the grip of steel. This is modern forestry at work, strong, efficient, and precise. Every movement is calculated, every action purposeful. What once stood tall in the wild now becomes part of a greater plan, to be transported, processed, and repurposed. The machine doesn't just lift logs, it lifts the future of the forest industry, one tree at a time. In the snowy silence of the forest, the Kesla 12MDH roars to life. Its powerful grapple spins and swings with surgical precision, grabbing and cutting trees in seconds. Despite the harsh weather, it performs with grace and power like a mechanical predator designed for the wild. Every move is fast, clean, and efficient. This is the future of forestry: smart, strong, unstoppable.